Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya.
Let's just unpack on Madlanga. Cyril Ramaphosa mixed things up on asked him. Ese Soshanguve ukuthi so uthini ngale nto le ayishoyo Senzo Mchunu uma yithi NAPKTT wayetshelile ngayo. Wahleka wathi what I don't want to talk about that. Manje ukhuluma ngathi iMadlanga. That is why I chose Madlanga. But guys, in fact, Umchunu ukhulume at ad hoc committee meeting, not eMadlanga. What hayi uMadlanga njengoba ubona uJosh Madlanga ungamkhetha. Let's not talk about those things. Akhulunywe mesiphelile iMadlanga. I'm just like, bruh, that's not even Madlanga. Umchunu uyazimbini to Madlanga. Uqale ad hoc aqala. So what are you even saying? You know? Hlangane nje guys ku-hectic nakhona le ndaba witness A, B and C. Bathi kazi bazokwenza njani ngoba bayasaba abantu uqufuzwa ophapha uqabanga uphuma lapho. And the security there now has gotten crazy. And these people laba baseMadlanga bona laba who are witness A, B and C, they are now staying, these investigators, they're staying in safe houses, guys. Hey, South Africa, guys. And eMadlanga normally, if you've noticed, they don't necessarily say the names. Just Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi had to say names zabantu because he had already told us sort of go Brown Mokgotsi or Ket Matlala, no Katiso, so we know about them. But we have on Uzungu, they came out sort of there at Madlanga, but we're still waiting to see Uguti. Going forward, are they still gonna come out now? So basically the testimony today with witness A, it was about Amanswart. Yamkhumbula ngithi the engineer. Kulelwani umntana abantu azafe engenzele lutho kulelwa amathenda. He was supposed to get 25,000 because they do small things where he works, right? And bona baby mistake him for someone else. And we got this came out again. His name. Go back, come up, I look at this. Got the 10 to 11 people that he unalived. Although he doesn't necessarily do it himself, unabantu, hitmen stabilizers that are actually working for him. Go back and those guns that were used. Apparently, they were found in Bramley. Lawo maguns lawo. So yamkhumbula ngithi Amanswart ukuthi waye sebenza sort of ne Transnet, right? Uthe ezwa uKatiso wathi mlandeni ke cela ningisizini ngoba ithenda yesitholo yena lo 1.2 million. So basically guys, Amanswart died for nothing. Imagine. So witness A is one of the investigators. But as besa investigator, there is a major general called Shibir. Hey, general naba business corruption. Told the investigators, "Lalelan guys, this a case that you are doing is very dangerous." Kushutnanje was trying to introduce them to this cartel. To say there's a serious web that is busy here. Don't get involved. Minangini being so manje and bring those dockets here to me. Imagine. So basically, he told them, we could find ourselves in danger, guys. Kabenya Puma, Nishi Pants, and Donyenza, because the people who are connected to what you are investigating, they are very, very powerful and dangerous. So do you want to continue or what do you want to do? Uyabo. Ayibambona ukuthi lo ngathi uphakathi inside. Ngathi uzophelela eMadlanga futhi lesi Shibiro guy. So accused A went on to say ukuthi there's 3 envelopes. One envelope is for the investigators zona lezi sebeyithenga-ke manje uthi Nthule nansi imali. They didn't take that offer. And then another one was for the prosecutor, another one was for the magistrate. And then there's a guy that Mkhwanazi actually mentioned, a certain policeman, right? Owayeboshiwe, obeseyingenile kule cartel esebenza nayo. There was actually 2 of them. Upule Tawu, and then waphuma futhi ngebheli lo muntu lona, citing ukuthi he is actually diabetic. Into zothi abobesta zazi angithi at some stage he was on a hunger strike, ubrothers, ngoba ngithi wayesejwayele ama-Uber Eats lawa ayewadla khathi esemangawu. So we came up with the story. NoMatlala came up with the story angithi ukuthi u-asthmatic naye, ngoba fanele ukuthi uphume manje ejele. I'm sure ubesta was like, now what u-asthmatic. Mina I was on a hunger strike. I was just like, I'm not eating that food. I'm actually diabetic. I need my own diet. I must decide on my own food. Certain kind of food for me. Type of best guys. Athi witness A bamtshela ukuthi no, it's a cold case now. Let's allow docket. Uthi lalela, I had to hold on that docket. Ngathi ngiyahlanya. I was going with that docket everywhere I was going. He was looking after the dockets like a hawk. He was going everywhere with it. And bathi lo generally Richard Chibur was recruiting other police officers to join the cartel angithi, in order to, like baba protect type of thing. Not necessarily protection, but kube bona ba find out ukuthi kwenze njani bazothola nabi envelopes. Just imagine guys, this guy or Richard Chibur is gonna be in trouble, eh? And then there were burner phones that were used, obviously bayalahla manje lawo amafoni awasa exist, to cover their tracks angithi. Yeah, hey guys, ngizongime lapha iMadlanga nayo. It's getting scarier. Even ngisho imoto, when it comes to Madlanga, there's some machine abayisebenzisayo to check it. Yeah, futhi guys, besofika nini la if it wasn't for Mkhwanazi. Manje abantu bafuna ukuzama some things about him. Kunini bemzama? Ko-IP uphuma khona. Akikho into angakazi bamzame yona. They must just leave the guy usincedile thina, usisizile. We thank him every day. I also thank you guys so much for always supporting my channel. Ngithanda over.